Music. Want a better credit score? Meet Brigit. Links are in the description. Brigit's a financial wellness app that helps you boost your credit, manage your money, and dodge overdraft fees. Perfect for building credit from scratch or bouncing back from financial setbacks. Brigit's credit building program reports small, manageable payments to Experian, Equifax, *, and * TransUnion. See steady credit score improvements over time. The user-friendly app makes credit building easy, even for beginners. Need a little help? Get cash advances up to $250, interest and late fee free. Avoid those pesky overdrafts and cover surprise expenses. Brigit also provides personalized budgeting tools, keeping your spending and saving on track. Plus, get real-time alerts to prevent overdrafts before they happen. Brigit even offers educational resources on budgeting, credit, and saving. So, Brigit's more than just credit building, it's total financial wellness. Improve your score, avoid financial traps, and build better money habits. Ready to take control? Click the link in the description to learn more and sign up today.